Hello again. We're making videos that show people how to use the command line tool, and this particular video is centered on how to configure the credentials. You can't just download any college's data, you got to download your own data, and we're going to find out how we configure our machine to be credentialed for our college. So here we go, we're running down the documentation that describes how to set everything up, and we're going to click on the Generate API Credentials. Now, the API credentials are generated from the Canvas Data portal, and we showed a little bit about that in a previous video, but right now is a great time to go over to the Canvas for your school, your data portal, and we're going to run down to the bottom of the Canvas Data portal, and we're going to click on Generate API Credentials. Mine has a previous set of credentials from a previous video. I'm going to go ahead and hit Create Again. That will generate brand new ones, but it will also invalidate my old ones. You may not have any credentials at all showing, so that's no problem at all. Simply clicking that button creates a key and a secret, and these really are meant to be kept secret. We don't want you showing these to people. Keep this on your computer, and each individual user should have their own key and secret. We do not want one office sharing the key and secret with everybody in the office. That's not how this was intended to work. We also prefer that people don't save their key and secret in their config file, because it's not really a very secure place to put them. A better place is in the Windows environment variables, and that's what we're going to do. Is we're going to create two variables in our environment called CD API key and CD API secret, and then we're going to paste the values from the portal into those variables. So let's get started on that. I like to do it from the control panel, so we click on the control panel and then simply search for environment. And you don't have to type very far before you'll see the Edit Environment Variables for Your Account button. And I'm going to click that. And here we go. Here are my user variables for Bryant. This is where I want to put them. So I'm going to click New, and then I'm going to make use of the Alt tab. I'm going to move back to my Chrome browser, and this time I want to copy this value right here. And then I'm going to use Alt Tab to get back here, and I'm just going to paste that right there. And then I'm going to Alt Tab back, and this time I'm going to go to the portal and I'm going to copy this slightly longer value. We need to get it all, so let's make sure we get it all. I made my window kind of small so that I could show everyone. I think it ends in an 8. So we're just going to grab that whole string there. We'll know pretty soon if it didn't work. And then Alt Tab again and paste. So we've got the CD API key. Excellent. A new one. We come back here. I'm going to copy this value. Alt Tab takes me back. Paste. Alt Tab back to the portal. And now I grab this secret value. And now I'm ready to go. That's basically configured. Any of your existing command windows that you had open, you'll need to close those and open new ones in order to make sure that this works. But that's it. That's configuration. Let's validate though, because we always like to validate that it worked. And the way to do that is from inside this command window, type set. And there's going to be a list, and these are all the environment variables that are on your user account when you come onto a command line. And there they are, listed up close to the top, the CD API key and the CD API secret. If you change machines, or if you get an upgrade or a brand new machine, this is the step that you might be missing. This might be why it didn't work. So remember, as you move between machines and things like that happen, this step needs to be done on each machine that you plan on running the command line tool. That does it for configuring the credentials. The next video will show us how to actually perform the sync command, so we're looking forward to that one. Thank you.